2025 Annual Civil Society Independent Assessment of Education Sector, Ghana mu Dr. Peter Partey Executive Director Ma Institute for Education Studies. Newa bobonema hudu biso a eyesi akwan ewo kwan ya yefa so edi akyerkyerefo komiamia ekokokyera de wakasa fa ho a Adom Kasee etwase.
Our Annual Civil Society Independent Assessment of the Education Sector, Menimu Ase and Executive Director, the Ma Institute for Education Studies, Dr. Peter Partey Edituja, how Ahodwa, any a church for one more Menimu, Efomu, Eho, and I was saying Edituja say, and a quiet faso, and the church for a comiano, a dia, a hajunipa, Emma, quality of education, send ye becano into me anymore. We na, onam so a day, etumpin for them say, one more. Na bibiara enemu fine sene beya a chechefo ede wono beto bia wono nim die ebetumi abo manfo ne mum no enye se de wono mo eto bia keke.
We are training a lot more teachers every now and then, but if you go to our schools, especially at the basic level, in most deprived areas now, they don't have the requisite number of teachers they need to be able to deliver quality education. And so it means that we will have to go back to the table and look at the data as it says in terms of which areas need more teachers. Then we should also note that sometimes when you take these people to these places now, of course, a young guy who having one in mid-20s or 30 or brother, there are certain social amenities around. If he is not getting that, what is he being compensated with? The larger the region, the higher the number of schools that will be there, and then the higher the number of vacancies that will be available. But we'll share from the EMIS data, from ministry data now, you see the regions like Eastern region, the Front Plains areas, North, South, those areas, regions like Ashanti region, regions like Volta region, they have districts they lack teachers. I think we should pay attention to those places now, the requisite. But this data is with the ministry, is with the Ghana Education Service. They know it, and they should be able to strategize to be able to get the teachers for these places.